umbwire obutaro bw'entaro nekirizibwa by Constitution of the Republic of Uganda kwatanisa na local society, local communities kurwanisa cyone cyayete icyo muri kureberana engineering brigade ni kwatanisa na department zindi bushagarizwa enguto kwomeka amashobiro kwomeka amarwara mwene iki cya corruption kiri kugambwa hati kikine mu kitatu affecting ne to kwishamo ishi yone kwata ha Uganda ne twata ho ka UPDF entares turwana tuzingura hawa population support mwen hati otaro ne twena nturkwatanisa nturkombera ahabukubera moyensi kombera honorable minister without wasting much time yobere kwisha n'abanyambarra nakakebesi kumperezo musi Nabanyeza Major General Paul Muhanguzi, the commander wa 2nd Division.
Honorable Minister, abebembezi mwe n'abajyaha amazina nirakan banyita ili basajja baraba Member wa Parliament wa Busheni Shaka Municipality kani ni stakeholder my brother Garukano Tan Uruga Mzindano amazina nirakan banyita ili basajja baraba Member wa Parliament wa Busheni Shaka Municipality kandi ndio mushobozo mukuru stakeholder natawuneje yambarara nebukugendo misho mukura emwe byo byandeta hakongera kubashobondera no kumekinga sure ngo buhereza bwakajya muntu wa burijo batungure cyanga citu abantu ba Deltas mwe bare kwija kama babiro
abantu bakubaza sasa bagaruke ya sasa
Honorable Minister, yaja mashobora bintu bya sasa icyo kubanza njya kusima ba youth abo kozesa social media tunga makasende na bakongera taseya icya kabiri social media tukozese tureke kukozesa tukujumera abantu tukomeze behemi tukozese dona tuzakuwe when sasa akaba victim umukozesa ku social media yazumera umugurusu wanje yagumana muzumera TikTok kongamwe nate gokwa ngokuniza gutereze bintu byona buri kimwe kigendeje hata nanye muri yo mwebembezi kandi stakeholder waha ninja kuba yamba nikora mediation ensongezo ni settlinga kongani ngabi nagakwate na wayibara musange mugambe ebyona kubere byawire nawe kalije TikTok agumena tukozesa kugireta sereke koraki kuzumira abantu abo kwa kubana mukora mutungeze ta TikTok ito tubatine somo konga ko kwasa kwato musawe myaka almost kako kakumanosiwa no koraki mu muzumu na kozesa abantu almost ekumisha to aho mutawuni tubarenje zizoba yana ndatuhumurmo ajana bire mukoreki na kete kongebyo kugira ngo muza kuzuma abantu is not good kandi ngenda twera tuzumire emphasizing etase abantu emphasizing etunguka emphasizing okuturage ngabaki ngabantu bambara so ebya sasa ninja kubatereza je mu muri nebyo mwebale mno amazina nabanyeta hapa tukamkisha
Noniza chendekerize baramundu yanyenyera kurokugigendo mwisho baramure webare kuza historia ya Rwanda ranga kumpera umuti
ndio kusema ba RPC na wana mchi abantu abo polisi
Honorable Minister, our local government, the members of parliament, Mayor, Barara City, Afande Division Commander, abakulembeze mwena bali wano, abakuze bambara City muliyo, mujebaye, amazina gani barageta Senior Superior of Police Samuel Asimwe, ninyi Regional Police Commander wa Rwizi Region. Omu region omu mazemo kwezi kumwe. Nakimurwa munongera izoba okwakira Minister na timu ye kandi ko kumwahurira muramwa no kurwanyisa obuli gaki obuli bw'enguzi namwe bw'enguzi no butina hariyo bakabungu n'abaliyo soje na mutwatagane abatuze bambarara na ofisi ya RPC n'abapolisi bona bakomanda badyaha turwanize enguzi mu bitundu byona bya gavumenti na polisi nayo yameliyo nayo tujibwanize polisi natakuwaisa esimu yanje umupolisi orakushabe sente mutere esimu abakwataho niyo bali munonga
inwe abaje bita kumwambira abapolisi bekanira basaba sente abapolisi bakwasa basente zaki bakwasa basente RPC jogarugani. That is not a good reputation. That is not a good reputation. Ati mubabanya bakwasaba sente babanye ni mubabanya yenda kuwasaba abantu batano mujye musimera inani kurungi ali kugenda gamba RPC abantu abasere tulugenda corruption police bakwa kazi na RPC alo sebo iwe
amazina muhereza Perezi bakampereza sente za moto milioni 410 niza nahinga Misiri ndaiza kwine Misiri basa henda bazonesa zaho nazo wa Chaiman yaja mnyoni omoro itabanza mugika naza kachika polisi yatera Yesu polisi yaindi kachika yani heri twale ndio kandiko msharo gwanje kaze kuhandika yaga tabamteresa ubwo tabanza no munene utakora msharo gwe bado bazo mbyama okoro byo kwinga nawe yabamteresa yaja pindiyo nazo RDC na shangatariyo basinko RCC deputy RCC kila sheo yatera Chaiman ya mjuma naga takachika ofisi ya ndianda mpora kuri usuru wotine barafu na tena DPC baharwe yaja mwenye mshangone yatago mkoti nazo mkoti baja wotine baraya Chaiman toptabazi kati yo mburu neba hanji na difference ya mshangone
ati abataka Kakuka police station, Kachika police station, SP for starting February 01/2026. Offense, rash and negligence. Complainant Mueleza Perezi. Suspect Charles. After Musango Musango.
Bakanyonesiza kwaheze kunyonesiza nazayo kila kirena atawaza chaimani yateresimu yajambo ko mushango ko mutaguhurira nagaruka inaja mkawampie sente za modo nwaza kunkoma naza chaimani wabe nakureza modo yatera chaimani yajaka wakutawanza ata apinda mhereze barha utahurre bintu nenda mba ya chaimani haha noma kumtere uwa bayonesiza kampara yateresimu yajambo jendora mbromsini hereze se chaimani yajato kanjo katinza burambra kando ya nakoro government mometa champe kile chora mukore champe na uyaja mwenda kundia wenda kuungenda hononga niza kubingo mcharese cyo kuzinja
Chete ni wamoto.
nakoro ofisi ya president
Cheto.
yalindi kiko mama mweta champe
Na
advisor kwa president
Advisor.
kwa yajize ayo kachika
Ati kwenda kumanya polisi ni ya kwasiri. Polisi inakwata.
Kazayo kunajire polisi asere mtwale hivi
Mtwale hivi.
mubakora mshango kwa nyinazo wahereza
Ukazuoa.
OCCID kachika
Tunametwa.
ina leti kurumanya na ya kura humshakia kura
Ukamwetwale hivi.
kama mtwale hivi
Ana pisa ni wangu ura. Another one. Tena ana pisa ni goroka moroni gomu.
Nasima mnonga kuleba mukama wingu mizaha kuleba msumjinga mtwemeliyo amazina gange limaneta balwani litoni yoni koromba spaka nipachira basi mkimbuka na kurume bantera amakampuni yake ara bantwara pore anaka yirwaro nara kuzakalya enama hena kwina kuna benjao naza kulanda hiza afande hiza amunakora fairo eziba kuba batire kabaneze musango batinoti kuchenga je kuba ntukiza omwe wa polisi nduminiza kora statement yanje ngo kuba ebantire najikora naeza ko nyuma mubwire bwaje bwa sukari esa hiza yampata bangaraye akliniki nasuma bateka kliniki bangarash pasamizi
Ari tugambire bya polisi, tugambire bya maji sukari, omunyu.
Omusango gwanje bakabwindura bateka musango gwa mada leo musango mukuru mukuru wewe nakola musango yitu
DPC.
bateka gwa mada baje kuchona za basanga talisire muntu angebu sisende baba hiye.
You make for them a line. Bruno, don't chase them away. They should make a line. Chairman, John Garuke.
Amerefunza kwa shirika kusema kujambara ati ebitu package ndefu zamani ile kampani yemwe ikatubere kisubu yatera bizoba kampani yemwe ya KR coaches yatera abantu bizoba batera abantu kile na clips kwa hili police mwene songa yuko mwana katika songa.
Yesterday Honorable AIGP Busini ya umwili alikirekera Twitter na agamba njalo bakutera agamba
That's the same case.
Now I'm going to beg Mayor, my brother Mayor, you come. Tutunge designated stopping point is a bus park. Umramu ina bus park. Aro bus park erinche. Kali mina company za basina. Buli bus park buli company etunga mbale ko flooding ya coding. Permanent gazetting, that is a park, charge them money for entering and getting out as council. When we claim that we charge them per month, they are not going to pay us. Yesterday I was asking, how much have you collected? Meleke nikaguza mubasi mwingine msede zinga. Nibagama mukora milioni 3 omwezi. Nizo? Kasebe kutunga sente. Ati kasebe rebeka kutunga sente. Tukole bus park card, ejo bus park anche, small. Let's give that bus park to our 2 companies. Then we get another rich man to do another bus park for 2 companies. And they work.
Ati honorable
Mukoroka kurodi ngiramwanda.
Abadasiga community kugambe solution bakwe from park. Hatwine companies ezitakuyicheza Odom Park. Ezitakubaza kuyicheza ngwaze Odom Park. Noboseka hoja kwamba batakubajira odato banakoli. Nobasaba abantu banyurura abantu nobole birafanye kasine na kigamba mwe yakiyambe omwana bakamtanga mshagomba mada infrastructure ngabuja batakaza kai omkoti. Kasine no yakiyambe na posting. Kati ero na nani chipina chimani. Na hatifaile yoku omwana bamteka mshagomba mada kwa helze baada mtaino mshagomba. Kwa kama mnazote katazo mkoti mwani experience kwenye kama ni kemibi. Esipata laba kugonga sheto kusashama nana kuyawo. Kwa mcheka ambao watereza roho wa bomara okwenda order roho wa bomara ni kokanya ni shabaka asitinto karo abantu abo bakwataka asema kono wopita ngati bakwataka stop yise kwa action kasanye ishabiki tumwe bicho zikajira mutije order abantu batwari informu bajireta agisi boroka zona bagakomona etwe message nti konga kusikamba kwa teacherza abako bade benda mpatiro basika abantu bakera abantu bakore abantu babona bona mpaka ena kupati romu omti omwiruma takwetesa Odom Park wampe kwa reform na mpya mutoza buli rwamba kati babasi yeyi so nenda kurwana enda kufera ogoma na ya kwiri baka muswesa abisha amsha ugwamade kandi kwa henze badangwa na wana ti president sa kama mwigira tsanda baka manza mtelevishani
Kugamira ina mada.
DPC tatumu wampe tirumu office station na office ID
Ala polisia. Ati kakaguze RPC omukuru asimwe afanda asimwe. Can you charge someone murder when he has not killed even a mosquito? Now RPC afanda RPC, I request the implicated officers be referred to the IGP, to the police standard unit for investigation and charge, because what they are doing is wrong. You don't charge someone murder when you are not killing anyone.
Honorable Minister.
Ati kasabe RPC amagambye mu Nyabuzali. Ye mugambye ngorwe mu Nyabuzali kandi amagambye agenda kubacyaji ngabakorere. Bakusise ibara ya polisi. Polisi ngogambye abantu polisi kwa yose ndesiona.
Wewe ni mdogo Honorable Minister. Ezonga nazuhurira ngoko nabagambira amaziro muri joro mukwezo kongama ile kwenda kitu kuza gukora neza kwatagana na bakorera pa chairman wa pa then mbuze DPC then twende file tukirebe then mbuza bakikozire uko bakikozire ezo chawa nizakweta fayiro ngirebemu kwategana n'abakorera paka tube twagondolesa ongezi yewe kuno
Betu RPC shemeni ngamba kwenda abantu abo bagambire abasirikale batagaruka mu kushali w'omuntu mada ataisire mada musango mukoto omuntu bagamba kuchaji nga rape defilement murder those are capital offenses. Why would you say murder for such a poor man?
Okumalira kinsabye kituma wanayebo nyina mwoshabire kanseti tuje Odom Park abantu bareke kubonabona abantu bareke kubatera bajya mu uniform. Let all people put on uniform.
Kipura Burundi when the RCC
is here.
RCC, the mayor, DPC, RPC, you have a stakeholders meeting. Mukole meeting nyecha. Eyabantu bona ba transport. Muteke order mu transport.
We have guidelines.
There is no exclusivity in the bus park. bus park yabona bus park teri ya bus company eta kandi bus company je bus park je bakuwanira yone kajunda ekirevina egera gati ya muzei bus park yawe kuswaza muzei bus park akikole apanga mali ya isi de pia bus park bakole bus park ina toilet eta ine China bus park ina toilet pipe ziko lete na sewage bali bagaba ina bus park ina bus park bali kase kiraro chete kiri mu ngoro kiraro chete kiri muti ati okurani kiraro chete kiri mu ngoro bali kala okurani kiraro chete kiri mu ngoro turuko so afande RPC with the guidance of with the chairperson of Security Committee RCC and the DISO, the ISO office and crime intelligence and the mayor sit and make a final meeting. No one has a right to beat anyone and no one controls that bus park because you have not put a tender there. You are saying you have not put a tender. But I think the time is now we put a tender there. Because we are losing money. Commissioner of local government Anika Magumba. Commissioner Magumba. You come and address it. Any commissioner here? You come and speak. Mugamachi. Ogo. Mukwenachi. DPC. Ayakoza refaru ya mada. DPC tanakuole. Pagamani DPC. Lega DPC awaze. OCCID aro. Aro OCCID. Let the OCCID come because you are shaming the whole police. Listen. Ati mukwenda baite OCCID. RPC calls for us the OCCID. Call the OCCID. Because ati muule and police ya family ya Kagaba is very disciplined. Alimu abarungi, alimu na abasuma, alimu na ababi. But police generally, eyo murundi gulu nungi police ni better. But I remember Babi, Kada Babi Muno.
Minister, my OCCID is here. She can explain how.
What OCCID? You can have a microphone. These people are choosing you that you made a file of murder or someone who never killed anyone.
Hello, Minister.
Mkwenda kurumiza. Bus park. Go a bus park. Go a Kerala. Go to Abantu. Mumutega kepingu. Abantu bagala mula bakumpima okuba abantu. settle. Hello, boss. Boss, I want them to be put there. Let them remain there. I want it there. Yagala kwa zako. Mwana yogera tuulire. Yogera mpulire naye bagenda kuteekako empingu.
Banne abeekitiibwa bakulu bange bato bange bali wano ntebapeera omusango gwaliwo baspaaka omusango ebirawo baspaaka onerebo ono omusajja vampaya ono omusajja kamwani naye ntwalwana yangumba ku paasi bankola nikimwana nalasembe ababiri baspaaka erimenwa ebibiri walimenwa naitaka association nizinaitwaita cooperative katiaita association bakugumba nanguzako obulabe nankuba nange nali bubi nnyo nigenda mu ICU tugenda prison polisi nasiba nikemu aiabakugendipikezikolebwa ono omusajja gamba aaga bbiri nasibaagetandoni nabamusinga kwalwanira publiki bali bagende kizisa omuntu omusuma samutta nasibako ebisamusango ngakola omulimu gumu pamanyako kimu bakine sabanasimu pasipota yomubaminiki omusajja gulayen oyo kyamana paaka tebalekimanu paaka ine mpapula omusabala
Oya ate, kaduko yakomewo wano. Wano. Akomewo wano. Banenge abatuuze bambalala. Mugambire abantu abakola effujjo. Yabakuteera abantu. Bakubuuze lwaki ensi yonna egamba nti wabakuba abantu. Mukama wange honorable minister nsanyusa nnyo okutuwa omukisa obuzibu obuliwo mu pasipaka obukulu commercial officer ne town clerk baakwaitinga ekitongole nga kikulira omwami oyo oyapulani basolooza sente ku mutembeyi ku buli baasi basolooza abaspecial sente ng'ekitongole kyabwe tekigenda mu gavumenti ogwo obuzibu obukulwanya mu pasipaka wagala komplexi eno wa pulezidenti abantu babalala ngeni mukoti y'abantu ni mukoti yaki akusoma olekazindalo lindawo bagambire okusolooza agasente mu paaka noziye na tawukiyaka na commercial officer. Is it true or not true? It's not true. Where do you take the money from?
Let me explain to you. What you put in government advising for association of cooperatives. Tunaingia papa.
Ezi wakajitine de yamubisa.
Let me tell you something. What is our foreign association? Tunaingia papa on their behalf. Then the Torosa, Nesa Puera, Clinic, Gapes, Pinesakita Paka, Pinemis, Zapamelas, Pinosita Exportativa. Let's read it. What a fair about. You're not supposed to beat people. You're not supposed to beat about.
Where are the handicaps? Where are the handicaps? Ati mukule. Abatuuze mukulira. Bano bonna abasatu balina omusango. Ono asolooza ssente za gavumenti ne bazirya. Naye bamuteekeko empingo. okay. Don't sorrow those take
Let me tell something. Okay.
Mbarara City Bus Operators Association, Ekumitan. Are you going to get it? Musekasa na Manzinga. The bus Chikumi Kilo,
Okay, let me explain. Basezo, Constitution Taker, does not do anything. We never error, we clean. There's government correction. There's a duty and ethics. We have to like we put. That's okay. They were mandated by the council. They have no visa. They never get it. We never have what company is such. We never go.
Linda, go. No. Mayor, how do you? Mayor, you come. Hold on. Mayor, abantu wagenda kukiringa na mupaspa. Sema na unaambie, wana kusoma za sente zinu, musekaso wasekayo. Are you seeing anyone in sekaso from this bus operator?
Honorable Minister, omukanso tubari kuzireta. Nyenda kugambira, tukaba tushoroza sente omutaxipaka na baspa. Owekitiibwa President abantu bayeetwa mwitwa yagira ngu tutagaruka kushoroza enusu n'emwe kuruga omutaxipaka hamwe na n'omubasipaka. Itwe nka kanso twabura okutwagaruka omu basipaka. Ekyakuratiireho leadership ya basipaka na taxipaka bayekoreramu omurimo gwabo bo bonka. Ebyo barikukora n'ebyabo bo bonka. Okweyerera okukora na n'ebyo ebarikukora ompa okweyerera kukyaraga akasasiro konka itwe turikwihayo sente nemu. Honorable Minister,
Ati, RCC can come and speak. RCC can come.
Esanda arwakatano tukakora meeting neti group zone. Council ekayitiriza mu group association yajihereza kugira ngo ezo management ya baspa. Tukachalengeraho base zindi zihakariso kugira ngo omuntu omwe group emwe ekumo management forever abo kwebara yawe open inaye close just tenda kwaje.
Ate ejo barua tukusanyirize.
Yes.
Barua ya wao huwa mama nyecha mukole meeting na security committee. Both groups must join in there. Mayor, get all the two groups together, let them form one umbrella, and also on the collection they are making, our council should get some money. Our city should get money.
Honorable Minister, hatuzane ukache harmonize. RCC echariyo nagamba. Honorable Minister atwira rotaro hagati ya groups z'eziduka. Abo group Tawusi hamwe na Global. Bine bases nyingi mnongo mpaso. Tu haro group eyakaranzi. Eyakaranzi nayo eine motoka no shop nimbi. Hati baria ababa nibenda uniform bajwari. Karanzi na group ye baja mutagara uniform. Hati akaka vyokoka tiyo. Nyirasi mara sisi. Ochiko bakarweta baja what do we do now? Tuichiza na group civili zimajinge area ine basi nchena yo hajira baragayo representatives bakwatanena nabo. Echo nani teka mutwachikora minister nchija kuretaho obuteka bali n'abantu bavami n'obuzinzi.
Ati banyamarara abantu bano mayina ekinge bafera abantu basheje which company is that? Vale, Mupure. Oyokera nyo. Wanage mupurize. Onowegamba abantu bano babategeka empimo mbeera ndi serious. Era ewunyiza nti polisi yabo terina mpimo. Afande, all these three groups, take them, all of them, the two people. Investigating. Let police investigate. All the three. They can follow investigation, we can come afterwards. Father, you take all of the three, we shall talk, I'll talk to RPC later on what to be done. Magamba.
Ana kutoka kushemelelwa nibale kujambara lolo banetadorope embara na jimara mu biro bw'izali ngo muzikuliremo ko kanisabara ekishashi pe kabachara Ashashe kitoka bachara hapo itola nyambara twiranizi mubiri Yesu agamba polisi mwene bagenguzi harwaba kujiria n'abatakujiria polisi enyoyi fana yo munonga they are children protection abananga basukaraba yo mu side y'abana abachara kito batwasire kubi abantu abitara masabutiza kukozi nge wasigo mothers kutukonga polisi omukazi wa polisi namwe nizagambomwe okana okunaganika kino omukazi wagani bamweta shifa akali ya station aho omukazi akansiba omwana wataide okusishatu bana bayinabire ninyirukanjira abokutyanka ntine sente tinayinabire nyambiko even up to now n'abakazi bingi abastranded ahanguudo ahabwa polisi na koti na n'abaramuzi baramunimanya mu byona nosezesha president natuleka ngabyona nituleba nanishaba sekta ya judiciary kukwata family protection bajigarikemu nicho ndukushaba muno na side ya polisi erukwata children protection nayo bajigarikemu niyo baramukushaba kwanje ekindi baramabana bokurara hangudo babire bingi omwana nubularo mukutiya tuyabazire abamusukale nyo wa family rancho nagandira wa family omusukale osi family station nkakumanimwehubaho omukazi yago yale bana mwesase kuko mwana nubularo hangudo obana bwishiki abakazi umunturira tubona twamushaba president ekibecha kirebe niyo poti yanjye ekina baramuziba barebe barakate Hello. Protocol observed. Ladies and gentlemen, amazina ni Senator George Nifora kutoka Meja Msagana Road. Ahiminisa weija emizoba kufumuriza abakagwe akatwereye that's Mwana leo minisita ni okwijja panjaha okwijja panjaha n'abanyenda kugira emina kwanjurira abokuba problem y'omuriro tukaba twagizire enyuma ebirabyo nakimwe murayi abunashatu kandi kuba notuhumuriza watugira ngo nokatwara emizigeitu emofisi ya prime minister tukageza kubangira wa prime minister tukuramo ofisi zone kale zitukirire
Toka up to now, selection level, we go more to the Prime Minister. So Toka Mshawa yo Minister, Mwonchilize, Kweleze, Ebandiko Gito, Ebandiko, Ebandiko, Obundi same kama takuwa Prime Minister, yongo nzore mungu.
Ekizo mchalo chizo kazechi. Omu abamulo. Somechi wandiko bachiura batayana bachikodigo. Akisome obawandize.
Obawandize
Soma.
It was Biafra said, come to what? Let the Christian lot, Barara Silos. Let them see the right honorable Prime Minister of Uganda through the areas of through the woman member of parliament, Barasiti, Honorable Rita Kwase-Banga. Dear Madam, read 21st July 2023, Major Victor Bana Road, fire outbreak. We write to inform you about the fire outbreak that occurred at our place of work, located in Biafra, Cell, Kambuzu Ward, Barara City North, on 21st of July 2023, which burnt all our businesses to ashes and lost goods and property worth millions of shillings. We lost workshops, timber stocks, finished and unfinished furniture, wood chips, electricity wiring system, an electric pole, electric lines, heavy and light wood machinery, timber stores or elbanda, and many others. The fire outbreak directly affected 84 people who lost all their goods and property, and 92 people who were indirectly affected because they were dependent on those 84 for their daily survival. It is against this background, Right Honorable Prime Minister, that we request your office and government for assistance so that we can recover from these huge losses, and most of us have been
Right Honorable Prime Minister. When a woman MP at the Prime Minister, woman MP at the Prime Minister.
Thanks so much.
Okuvuna na kanse kakonachi okupenda kakele kangambe Honorable Mayor aja garuke byogamba
Honorable Minister namwena bariyaha omukyalo ogu ekyali kugamba n'itaka erya Nyamityobora. Honorable Minister, twineho itaka eryitwe rya kanso konka itaka eryogu hakaba hakozirwemo oruguuto kandi riine ekyapa akarimu ekyapa. So ekitwakozire twagira ngu omwanya gw'okukora nka kanso umwago kugira ngo tuferwe uruguto rukurozinge kandi itwe twine witaka ebyito tukubasa kugira ngo twatanise nawe nangwa yikiriza twagira mediation yikiriza twagira ngo itaka uruguto itwe nka kanso tubinitwe twaferwaho hazeho uruguto rero nawe abase kutunga ecyapeke ni kwameza madam no kugira ngo physical plan nawe yatungamo uburemezo bwabaho ubutware tekiniko bya tekiniko ko kanyenda kwameza one ngocho nshimanya kandi zakando rero na
Halo, ajo mchara bya kubaza tara kubiura. Mbere misara ikale na RCC asari amsobala na sisi jabu gabi. RCC. Iwe abakuru kubaura bali waba kubaza runyakore mama gamba
icyane cyahana mukuru wanjye wo babiri ayenda katenda nena ninde kinana n'umushaka mwana ngwenu tatakina bakazi babiri yahereza mawe umwana we n'abana be yagaragaye kwata mukazi wa kabiri yamuha umwana we n'abana be ngwenu munana zitwe uwo mukazi wa kabiri akagenda yasaba ko yadimisireta aho tutakumanya mwene tubanza kiza akakitwara yaza kukivugana na bakabandika bamyanya ziko tuzagwa nawe kandi bine byabo muri ubukine bitumye kokagende bitu
Deputy RDC Ariwa. When the Deputy RDC take over that matter and conclude it, make a report to the President. Mama, mugenda no kwa RDC Ariwa juani, mugenda na ruwa bani.
Abanyambara muriyo mukama nabakunda rubanyeta Senex agaba ukabanye simbere ahatebwa meya omukirugechi akaruhuka nje bakakwata muko kende kwishonga ko ekande dali sabaramu na nishaka bekamba gambele shogera ndege ukomwebembezi no kuntagiye mu office issues z'abanyambara enyinji batire bazimsya bazingambira twire ninganira nabona ha radio ubundi kansezi mwejezaho ezino shange tarukutezaho kokaye neshongisha tu everybody eshonga yo kubanza ebya street parking yambara site omu Uganda yona ninjira no munsi yona niyo kusinga yo kuri expensive Preta chikitano ningenda chikikumi nibabali bakushara ticket bakaleta system erukushare sente ahasimu neshare sente apa kurikode eshare sente ahasande eshare sente mwe motoketa parking no mtawu nomu esente zimwe nomwe motoka yo kuba pakindore umwanya kutashemeye kuba umucharginga sente emotoka bajirumba bachaginga bajipramping mbara site abanyambara babona vini mnonga umyaka 10 yone wire speed parking etubirire kiza nani kushaba the ministry ya robo update.
I've already told the State House Anti-Corruption
yes
and the regional CID and CI.
Yes.
They have a team led by anti-corruption to go an investigation in street parking. That's not a problem.
Yes. Enshoge nije yakabiri ndukumarira twinirwa rogit
But Olindo, but Ogamira Bakakuiva.
etona just na
Bakakuiva.
na vya sababu tukabamoja kwa kasiri mnonga abo kwanaza kuleta kamera ogana nyezere ngamba nshonga ezo kwata mtu wawe
Olindo, lega maza ija wazeda kema agaruke. Abo Ogamira Bakakuiva.
mpaka tuibe chumwe
honorable minister Kangambire ntwire niterwa karura abantu bahanyirwa n'abantu bo no musuma n'ukondogwa kandi echo ya tanshonga y'amani abo kuba ekanje n'abanyashonga zikwata abantu bahunisha ensonga ya kabiri honarebo ebyo mwirwariro ryita rya ruvara abanyambara mvumbure mbara regional referral hospital eine CT scan ejo wazayo watunga accident wabo tine mitwaro 80 tubara kubasa kidogo 400,000 shillings
Mitwaro
80
RCC is there.
Ekoma nzechimari yokuchaje nzire
Lindo. RCC muganda spirina duwairwara ije. Gamba msamairwara ijana. Jerido gato hospital sinita. Mbarara hospital Deus.
ekiroho mwirwariraho
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mugisha ngo ishe watujyayewa Esther wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero gonka MTN momo eberewo mbeni nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 sta manana 0 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo mucisheri zagwijo wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga
Orwa kabiri
kongera umutindo aha kintu cyona eco ina famu yawe oba no kurisa oba no kuhinga ne kintu cyakwaza kongera entasya kandi kikongera kasento mu nshako yawe mwene rwa kabiri oro ntuza kuba twine Madam Charity haro kutushoborera aha kuri sente za zero grazing hamwe no kwabase kongera umutindo amatege akagakora mu yogati
abatakarisize mushohore mukorere saa kimwe buze abandi babasize bata kana abatakiteka tekaho mustandike abo kuba omu business omu farming there is life highest milk gas 33 liters a day the lowest is gas 12 a day akwa nisibani zijira kugera ki kwisa so oshanga ori kuhinga ibinyasi ebicoro kahinga kozikorera daire miru oshanga toka spendingira nyinji hanji
Tyson. Mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweriya mugirete. Mwiri kwata muze. Kasa tunoko nkakwata kana nuko kajiba kwata. Robert. za kututwara ugiteka yo munanko
Yesu
biki
kana nimwe ngo niyo kubaga
hati MTN resera kazana bakita ko kuko liko kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugwa mu kasese hagati ya saye mwena saye ibiri ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe then yo MTN ne kwereza minatsi ezabuse zinde zo koze sizo baryona
gurende chika rwagati ya shahe mwena shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungende chikisha tuzabusha ezo teraba MTN izo baryona nyega star emwe not star ibi emwe hash rero tungende chika zawe zabusha buri zoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN